Good evening. Welcome to Mr. Rains. My name is Perez Cubon. I am the co-founder and beverage director here at Mr. Rains Funhouse. Tonight I'm going to make a dessert cocktail for you called the Cafe Corretto del Mr. Rains. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with some aged rum. So I'm using Florida Cognac here. This is 4 years old age. Next thing I'm going to do is Zucca. Zucca being an Italian digestive, Milanese, has notes of rhubarb. It actually translates into squash. Another Italian favorite is Sambuca. Splash of orange bitters. And vanilla tincture house-made. So since this is a dessert cocktail, we want some texture to it. So I am going to add some egg white. We're going to try to shake this to emulsify that egg white. And now that that's emulsified, we add the egg white. You notice that I shook that a little bit longer because of the egg white. And then we go ahead and pour our cocktail out. But since this is a dessert cocktail, we want a little bit extra. Add a little raw sugar. And a little espresso. So a Cafe Corretto is usually a coffee drink had with a digestive, so this is our play on it, and we're going to add a little flambe to it.